my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today we are going to do something with the new Charlotte Tilbury Stars in Your Eyes palette. So I have almost sent this palette back. When I saw it, I thought I have to have it, but then when it arrived, I thought, I'm sure I've got colors like this, and it is quite expensive. But when I swatched it, the quality and the colors are so beautiful that I've decided, well, it's my birthday month. This is going to be a present to myself. I haven't used it yet on my eyes because, like I said, I've been thinking about sending it back. So today is first time I'm going to use it. And I might also do, like I did with the Emily Edit, few different looks with this palette to see, you know, what is the value for money. So I don't know if I will go in those themes because, for example, I don't think I could use the Power Eyes, these three eyeshadows on their own, because they are all shimmery. So I need something matte, so I will have to mix. But yeah, it does make it easy for you. You can make 4 different looks if you want to, but of course you can mix them all. Let me maybe swatch them for you because they are beautiful. So let's start with Love Eyes. The first eyeshadow is Matte Cream. Very, very soft, pigmented. Then the next one is beautiful, almost foiled. I would say it's like a peach color. Don't know if you can see it. And then the third one is a matte, sort of pinky brown. Okay, now the Power Eyes, they all have very light and shimmery shadows. They are all beautifully pigmented. When you stick your finger in it, it feels like a cream. But of course, you know, finger swatches mean nothing. Sometimes eyeshadows swatch badly on your hand, but they perform well on your eyes. So we will see. Okay, the next one in Power Eyes. This one I would say is not, because I think this is that pop color, you know, that's supposed to add the shimmer. I hope this is coming out. What if I turn it down a bit? If I turn the light down, oh, that's it. You can see it a bit better now. Sorry, I've turned the ring light off completely. I've got quite a lot of lighting coming through my windows, but the sun goes in and out, so it changes the color. Okay, and the third one in Power Eyes, it's a, oops, beautiful shimmery brown. Okay, I will do the other ones on my other hand. Now we will do the Happy Eyes and the Confident Eyes, and these colors are gorgeous too. Okay, so the first shade in Happy Eyes, can you see the pigmentation? It's gorgeous. Then the second shade is matte, sort of matte brown. Mind you, this one looks a bit similar to the first one. This one is more pinky. And then the third eyeshadow in Happy Eyes, it's a proper dark matte brown. And now Confident Eyes. Oh, this is very exciting. These colors remind me a bit of some of the colors that I have in Too Faced Razzle Dazzle Berry palette, but they are still a bit different. So the first one, it's a pinky shimmer shadow. The next one is purple shimmer, gorgeous. and the third one is purple matte. So I can imagine I'm gonna absolutely love these three. I think I love them all. I mean, like I said, the second set of Power Eyes, which is this, I wouldn't make a look just with those, but these are very good, you know, shimmery eyelid shades. Do you think this picture looks okay without the ring light? It's not too dark, is it? But it might get dark when the sun goes in. Okay, I am going to start with the Love Eyes section, and I will use the middle shimmery eyeshadow on flat synthetic brush to get the color payoff. Oh yes, this is beautiful. And again, you can probably wet the brush if you want even more shimmer, or you can do it with the finger. But I'm like pressing this eyeshadow into my lid, and it looks gorgeous. I love it. It's very, very peachy, and I do like peachy eyeshadow. I remember I used to have one from Pixie and I could never find anything similar. Okay, I'm going to take the matte brown from the Love Eyes. So I'm going to take this one and put that in my crease. Yeah, so that will give you more like an orange, very fall appropriate look. As you can see behind me, I've changed my twigs. I've taken all the summery flowers off and I put some autumn leaves. And these are, I just bought, they're not real leaves. I bought like a leaf garland, and I just cut off the leaves and weave them in between those twigs. I think I'm going to go with this shadow right into my inner corner. I'm loving it already. I mean, the pigmentation is amazing and they blend beautifully. The quality, you know, this is a premium palette. This is, I find Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadows are very similar to the Tom Ford, but obviously they're a bit cheaper than Tom Ford, so I need to get out. I've got a lot of Charlotte Tilbury's quads as well. I bought them when she first came out with a makeup line and I used to love them. I love it. Do you know what will look good with it? Like green underneath. Might have to do that one day. Okay, now to deepen my crease, I think I will take the very dark brown from Happy Eyes, this one, and just put it right in my crease. You know, you just stick your brush just under that bone, not occipital bone, orbital bone of your eye. And that will give you a bigger mobile lid as well. Now I'm going to take that matte brown from Happy Eyes as well, which is a bit darker than the one from Love Eyes, and I will just shade my outer portion of the eye. Oh, this is so autumnal and it goes so well with my leaves. Love it. Let's blend that out with a clean brush, just blend it up so we don't get any harsh lines. I'm gonna put my finger back into the shimmery Love Ice eyeshadow and just press it in the middle because I want it to pop like this. They don't have much fallout at all. I will now take this one, I think, from the Power Eyes, and I will put it in the inner corner of my eye just to brighten it up. Let's see what that will do. Yeah, that's very nice. And now I'm going back to Love Eyes, to the matte brown, and I'm going to put it in on my lower lash line. So this is very warm look, beautiful for blue or green eyes. Then I'm going to take the middle brown from Happy Eyes. Sorry, I have to say it like that because they don't have names. And I will just make it darker here. I should be maybe showing them to you. So I'm taking this one now. Yeah, this one, because it is a bit darker than the first one, and I'm putting it just on the outside. Then I think I'm going to go back to this peachy one and maybe put it a bit here. Just to tie it with the top. I'm going to take the lightest shade and just put it under my arch of my brow. And I think that's enough for the eyeshadow. Let's go with Charlotte Tilbury eye pencil, the eye powder pencil, and this one is in, I was sure this was Audrey, but this just says the classic, the eye powder pencil, and it's brown. I'm sure that was Audrey, but it doesn't say it. Maybe it's just called the classic. Yeah, it might be the classic brown. I'm gonna put it in my waterline, sort of more scrubbing it into my eyelashes, and I might just put a bit on the outer portion of my top lash line. Now I'm going to use mascara, still using the Nars Climax. Okay, so the eyes are done. I absolutely love it. Look gorgeous, so gorgeous. Okay, let's do the lips. I'm gonna use NYX pencil in Los Angeles. I will fill my lips a bit with it because I'm gonna use very light lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury as well. Love this color. It's such a beautiful brownie plum. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Kim KW. And then I think I will use the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip, because this is quite peachy rose goldy. Just in the middle. That will make your pout look bigger. And that is your finished look. I absolutely love it. So I'm so glad I kept this palette. And if you want one luxury palette and you like these colors, you know, these colors suit you, I would definitely recommend it. So watch out. I will name this video look 1 because I probably will do more looks with this palette. But first impressions, I love it. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Stay fabulous. Bye.